And I'm back again. So this week I'll be talking about best pencils for drawing and sketching. There is a huge range of pencils to choose from, which can be very confusing. This video is here to help you cut through the confusion and let you know what the best pencils for drawing and sketching are and how to use them. So you'll find out why you really need only 4 pencils. And by the way, for my case, I only use 4 pencils. I don't use all those set of pencils. Yeah, so firstly, I'll start by answering this question. Do beginners really need expensive pencils? Well, you should not fall into the trap of thinking that as a beginner, you can get away with cheap pencils while just seeing how it goes. Low quality materials and tools usually end up in frustration and cause people to abandon a new hobby. So cheap tools will limit the success you'll be able to have with your drawing. Quality pencils will ensure you achieve the best result when beginning, and this will encourage you to continue. My advice when choosing pencils is to buy the best quality you can afford. Yeah, it's better to buy fewer quality pencils than a whole set of cheap pencils, most of which you are now realizing you won't actually need them. So don't be beguiled by the value of money, by the packs of quality pencils. Better to buy the 4 pencils I suggest in this video. Yeah, so what are the best pencils for drawing and sketching? I would suggest the following 4 pencils that are the only ones you'll need and are the best pencils for drawing and sketching. So HB is the first one. I use this for light line drawings on smooth paper. It can work really well for preparatory drawings as it does not leave too much graphite on the paper. It has limited tone or shading capability, but it's especially good if you are a beginner and feel a little unsure when starting your drawings and sketchings. So pencil number 2 is 2B. I use this as my general drawing and sketching pencil. It's great for sketching out, planning, and blocking in the main areas of tone or shade. It creates lovely quality of line and can be smudged a little and erased with ease if you wish. So it's still hard enough to sharpen to a point and use for the fine detail in drawings and sketching and sketches, and also creating the sharp edges to contrast with the soft areas in your drawings and sketches. 6B is the third pencil, and it's great for adding substantial dark tones and shading that will make your drawings and sketches come to life as a constant and as a contrast to the lighter shades and white paper. This pencil has an excellent shading capability and creates some lovely rich dark gray tones. 9B is the fourth pencil and the last one in my list. I really love my 9B pencils, and they usually shrink in size very quickly. But remember that the softer the pencil's lid, the more graphite it leaves on the paper and the more it needs sharpening. So this pencil will give you the darkest of shades, some beautiful smudging and blending qualities, and rich and varied quality of line. Just take care of its softness, as if overused will result in drawings that lack sharpness and definition. So that's it. Now you know the best pencils for drawing and sketching are HB, 2B, 6B, and 9B. Far better than buying a whole set of pencils, mostly of which will never be used. And that's the end of this video. If you got some information and got informed, kindly like this video, and I wouldn't mind if you hit the subscribe button and join me, since more of such videos are coming. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.